Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I would like to try making a handrail for fingerboarding, but the kind of handrail that's attached to the wall. So I have an idea that I like, so let's give it a try. Here I'm just sketching out roughly what I want this thing to look like. Okay, so this has to drop down, I think, because I do want the last step to be just above what will be the ground. Here I have the first two steps marked out. This step represents the ground. I do wish I had a little bit longer of a run up right here. I could shorten all my steps just a tiny bit. Okay, so this is going to be the run up. This is going to be the hole where the handrail goes in. It's going to go straight a little bit, down, and then straight a little bit. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and then the ground is going to be right here. You know, I don't always know if it's going to be exactly what I want, but till I make it. So this is my best shot for now. I do want a little bit of room to maybe try to do a wall ride before I hit that handrail, and I think that might be possible. We'll see. I just realized I could extend the runway out past this way a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to get to cutting this up to make the steps and then screwing and gluing them in. Okay, so the drawing was only a guideline. I knew, but I think I might need to take out one of these steps because this handrail is pretty low, and I want some room to, like I said, to try to wall right above it. I could take out the space between these, but I think that looks really cool. So, you know, like, see if they're touching. I don't know, that's pretty cool too. I'm not sure which is better. I'll experiment and then see. Sorry, the furnace just turned on, so that's gonna be in the background. I'm down here in my basement, see? Anyway, I realized what my problem was. I had these laying down when they're supposed to be standing up to match this part here. So that's what it'll look like. pretty happy with the way it turned out. Now I'm gonna try to get the handrail going. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way the bends turned out. It was kind of hard to get this to be parallel with this, and maybe this is a little bit too long, but that's okay. So I'm just going to cut it off now and then try to get it installed. Okay, so I like it pretty well, and it's more stable than I thought it would be, but I'm going to add some supports to the back so it doesn't just tip over. Okay, so here it is. I'm glad I extended this out here. I didn't have to glue this in, which was nice, and this is what it looks like from the back. So I think I'll try skating it, fingerboarding it in a different video, and just end this one here. And what was I gonna say? Oh, I'm gonna try painting it in another video to look like a real skate spot. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy the video, please consider checking out some of my other videos. I'd really appreciate that. Also, thanks a lot for the common sense support I've been getting lately. I really appreciate it. Bye.